Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to only me featured photo on Facebook story highlight privacy setting. If you want to add a feature of only me in your highlights, then first of all, open your Facebook application and go to your profile. There, check if your highlights are in public or anything by clicking on the dots. Now, here you can see highlights are set to public in mine profile. To change it, first of all, go to the settings and privacy and select settings. Then scroll down and select stories. From there, go through story privacy, and now you can customize your featured from here. You can customize who can see, you can make it to friends only, and you can also hide story from the particular person by typing their name and selecting it. This is a very simple procedure. You can easily solve it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.